Welcome to 720 Newberry Lane, Royse City, Texas. Let me walk you through and show you my favorite features of this house. Front room to be used as a study or an office, or just to get away from, all that loud noise. A living area large enough to fit a good sized sectional for when you're having those differences and you need a place other than your primary bedroom to lay your head on. Plenty of counter space everywhere. Gas range. This can either be used as a pantry or hiding space when you're playing hide and seek. Worried about a room big enough to fit a good sized dining room? Don't worry, I'm 5'7" and there's still plenty of room left. Primary bath that gives you two options, whether you're running late for work and need a quick shower, or you're coming home from a hard day of work and you just want some peace and time to soak it all up.